Civil court jurisdiction is not barred to proceeding under Industrial Dispute Act, Income Tax Recovery under Tax Act, Administrative Tribunal Act, all of the above. The court may order the payment of compensatory cost from one party submitting false claim or defense up to 3000 rupees. Which one of the following is not a right of the civil nature? Caste and religion, right to service which are honorary and gratuitous. A decision on law of issue of law may or may not operate as res judicata. Assertion. The rule of constructive res judicata is applicable to the writ petition. The policy of consideration underlying the res judicata also hold a true relation to the writ proceeding. Both A and B are true, and A is the correct explanation of B. A, residing in Delhi, publish in Kolkata statement of defamatory of B. B may sue A in either Delhi or Kolkata. Which one of the following is suit is not a civil nature? C. Suit for recovery of voluntary payment of offering. Which one is a suit of civil nature? Suit relating to right of property, suit for rent, suit against dismissal from service. For transfer of suit from one court to another, the defendant where both the court are subordinated to different high courts, the application lies to the high court in whose jurisdiction the court is suit bound is situated. Jurisdiction lie to the court where the property immovable in natural fall, substantially in jurisdiction. Which maxim denote the purpose of res judicata? Interest replica it sit facilitium nemo det lis vexri pro una et edem res judicata pro vexieset occupier. On which of the following maxim doctrine of res judicata is based? Interest replica ut sit facilitium. A, alleging that he is the adopted son of X. X sue B to recover a certain property granted to him by X under a deed and forming part of X estate. The court find that A is not an adopted son of X, but he is entitled to property under the deed and decree is passed for A. The finding of A is not the finding that A is not an adopted son of X will operate as a res judicata in the subsequent suit between A and B. In which of the following cases the doctrine of res judicata is not applicable? A sue for the possession of certain property alleging that it came to the share of the partition of joint family property. B contend that the partition has not been taken place upheld and the suit is dismissed. A subsequently suit was filed by A against B for the partition of joint family property is not a res judicata. Which one is a res judicata? A sue B for the contract and obtain a decree. B afterwards sue for rescission of the contract on the ground that it did not fully represent the agreement between the party. A file a suit against B for the recovery of money on a pro note. B contend that the promissory note was obtained from him was undue influence. The objection is overruling and the suit is decreed by challenging the promissory note on the ground of the coercion and fraud in the subsequent suit. Which one of the following is not necessary for the applicability of the doctrine of res judicata? Former suit must be pending before the court of competent jurisdiction. Which one of the following suit is not triable by the civil court? For consolidation and holding. Which one is the triable by civil court? For declaration that A is the widow of B, for the possession of the land, petition for the divorce. Which one of the following cases res judicata is not applicable? Consent compromise decree, dismissal for default. As per the CPC, as applicable to Delhi, a suit for a specific performance of contract of sale of immovable property can be filed either in the court where the immovable property is situated or in the court where defendant reside. An application for the residential order shall be made by the victim of a domestic violence before a magistrate of first class. Which one of the following is not a requirement for the stay of suit under section 10 of the CPC? That where the previous instituted suit is pending, the court is competent to grant the relief claim in the subsequent suit. Which one is necessary? The parties to the both suit must be the same. The matter in issue in the second suit must be directly or substantially in issue in the prior suit. The prior suit must be pending in the same court or in the any court in India having jurisdiction to grant a relief claimed. Where a person summoned cannot be exercise of due diligence be found, the summon may be served by affixing the same on the conspicuous place of the house. Which one of the following is the basis of the jurisdiction of the court? Subject matter, pecuniary jurisdiction, local limit. Which one of the following suit of civil nature? Suit relating to the right of property, suit relating to right of worship, suit for the damage of civil wrong. Which one of the following is not a suit of civil nature? Suit relating to particular question. Which one is suit relating to the right of worship, suit relating to partnership, suit relating to common law right? The petition dismissed under Article 226 would not operate as a res judicata so far as bar the simple petitioner. Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution was held in the case of the